cold in here, don't they? Am I right?
Hey, everybody, welcome to Albany Municipal Court here in Albany, Texas. Let me get y'all to raise your right hand so I can swear y'all in. Well, this court is the truth, and that's what the truth. Thank the Lord in hand. Ladies and gentlemen, we get started. Please make sure those cell phones are on vibrate or silent mode. If you don't know how to stop the phone, please just turn it off. And when I am going to remove that, and let's have a good night tonight. I might go home early tonight, so.
All right, very good. I don't have any paperwork.
Sister Jerry got it.
Okay. 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 All right, then let's start with Gregory Lee Daniel. Good morning, Gregory. You are 20 years old and you have 12 years of education.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand your rights on this advice and waiver of rights form? You understand everything? What you have a question about?
Just really the guilty and not guilty part. That's about it.
Guilty means I did what they said I did.
Okay.
Not guilty means I didn't do it. I want to have a trial. You're charged with expired license plate. Was your license plate expired?
It was the sticker.
Yeah, the sticker.
Yes, ma'am. It
All
was.
right. That's guilty. Did you miss your court date?
Yes, ma'am. I
That's
did.
it. You circled everything correctly. Why'd you miss your court date?
I forgot what it was, and I'm working really work.
Okay, where you working?
Express disposal,
Okay, full-time or part-time?
full time.
Okay. All right. I'm going to suspend your fine on the failure to appear since you were here today. I find that you've made a knowing and voluntary waiver of your rights, and there's a factual basis for your plea of guilty to expired decal. Did you get your decal?
Yes, ma'am. What? Say that again.
Did you get your decal? You were charged with expired decal, expired tag.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I did get it.
When did you get it? Can we check, make sure? Oh, it's valid. All right.
Okay.
I'm going to reduce your fine to $100 since you got it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When can you pay $100?
Today.
Okay, we have to pay it tomorrow, or you can pay it online tonight, right? You can pay it
Can do.
online.
Okay,
tonight.
I'll do
All
it
right,
online.
pay it today. All right, just have a seat,
Yes, ma'am.
and they'll call you up. Where y'all want to sit? Oh, I'm sorry. Where y'all want to sit? Just, okay. All right, Oscar Vega. All right, Oscar, you're 19 with 12 years of education.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
You understand your rights?
Yes,
Any
Honor, I do.
questions at all
No
about
questions.
your rights? All right. You're charged with suspended registration, and you wish to enter a plea of guilty.
Mm-hmm.
When did you get your registration reinstated?
I have the paper on me right now. I could pull it out, tell you.
Yes,
Let me
that'd be
see.
fine.
I think this is the paper.
And while you're doing that, tell me why you missed your court date.
I had changed it. This is the paper. I went to the building in front of the court. That I don't know what the building name is, but I went there, changed the date because I couldn't do 8 p.m. Well, 8 a.m. in the morning because I work night shift.
Did you change the day of your court?
Yes, I did.
You waited too late to change it. He got it. All right. I'm going to suspend your fine
All
on
right.
your failure to appear. And with regard to suspended registration, have you previously been charged with suspended registration, or is this your first time?
This is my first time.
All right. I'm going to accept a no contest plea on suspended registration. And I'm going to reduce your fine to $200. You know how much the fine normally is?
No, I don't. Like 600, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to reduce it to $200. Yes, ma'am. I don't need to. On the first one, it won't suspend it. I kind of realize that. All right, then. $200. When can you pay that?
Oh, today.
All right, pay that today. You can pay it online. Okay.
All right. Sounds
All
good.
right. Very good. Okay. All right. Denaria Nichelle Green. Good morning. I'm sorry, evening. You're 18, have 13 years of education.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions about your rights?
No, ma'am.
You live in Leesburg, Georgia,
Yes, ma'am.
31763.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. You charged a stop sign violation. Were you in an accident?
No, ma'am.
All right. Moving violations generally add 3 points on your license. Because this appears to be your first citation in this court, we were going to allow you to complete the under 21 program. You'll need to complete a defensive driving school course, pay a supervision fee of $40 a month and a $50 dismissal fee. The total amount you would have paid is $170. After you've done everything, this ticket will be dismissed. It will not be on your driving history. Would you like to participate?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then have a seat over there and speak with probation officer and they'll sign you up. Do I need to give this one to probation? Okay. Messiah Walker. All right, you are 20 years old and have 15 years of education.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
What city are you and state are you from?
Columbus, Georgia.
And what's that zip?
31705.
Okay. You're charged with a red light violation. Were you in an accident?
No, ma'am.
Okay, would you like to participate in the under 21 program?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, same conditions that I just explained to this young lady. $40 a month, supervision fee, $50 dismissal fee, and you need to complete defensive driving school. Once you do everything, this will be dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Do I?
Brandon Blocker, Jr. All right, Brandon, what's your city, state, and zip?
Atlanta, Georgia, 30274.
And you were in an accident, correct?
Yes.
Would you like to participate in the under 21 program to keep this off your driving history?
Yes, I would.
Okay. Your fine will be a little bit more since you were in an accident, and you're gonna need to get an insurance claim settlement letter or a letter stating that no claim was filed by the other party. If no claim was filed, that'll be fine too, but we just need something in writing and that defensive driving school and payment of the fees. And once you do that, this ticket will be dismissed, okay?
Yes.
All right, just have a seat. They'll call you up shortly. All right, Cameron Mayo. Is there a, let me see his citation. Cameron, you're 20 years old and have 12 years of education.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions at all about your rights?
No, ma'am.
Why were you charged with reckless driving?
I was coming down Dawson Road, and the car in front of me slammed on brakes, and the cop was sitting at a place of business trying to pull out, and his nose was sticking out, so I swerved to miss him, and he pulled me over for reckless driving.
Traffic pretty heavy?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you driving so fast?
It wasn't technically I was going so fast. It was just I came out fast because the car in front of me slammed on brakes.
Driver was traveling at a high rate of speed behind another vehicle, changing from lane to lane while the traffic was heavy. That's what the officer said. That's not what happened.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not sure how fast I was going.
Where were you headed? I'm trying to figure out why you were driving so fast. Oh, because you were in a red Camaro?
Yes, ma'am.
That's exactly why you were driving fast. You have any previous citations, Cameron?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
Speeding.
Pull up his driving history. Here in Albany or somewhere else?
Here in Albany.
Have you already completed this program?
No, ma'am.
I have no history. When did you get that other ticket?
This was back in August or June.
Did you have to, where were you driving? Do you recall? Where were you driving when you got that other ticket?
The one now?
I asked you if you had received another citation. and
Oh,
you said-
since then?
Or before then? Or is this your first ticket ever?
Oh, no, I've had previous citations.
Where have you had your previous citations? That's
Here in Albany,
Which court did you go to?
Doherty County Court.
State court?
Yes, ma'am.
How fast were you going?
And my other ticket, I can't remember. I think it was 15 over.
Where were you driving?
Off of Westover.
All right, what do you do every day, Cameron?
Go to work.
Where are you working?
McMurray Construction.
I will let you complete the program. However, you're going to have to complete it in person. Speaking of which, let me get a form. If it's a driver. Someone that was asking me about that. You need to slow it down, Cameron, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, go ahead and talk to probation. Madison Jones. Good morning, Madison. You're 19.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have 13 years of education.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
DUI risk reduction course. Why were you driving 15 miles over the speed limit, Madison?
In all honesty, I go to school in Alabama, and I have to drive on the expressway almost every day. I got accustomed to going to a certain speed limit. And 15 miles over.
And what street were you on?
Westover Road.
Y'all drive way too fast on Westover Road. You have to slow it down, okay? But
Yes.
I will let you complete the program, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to keep this off your record.
Thank you.
This will be your one and only time to keep your driving history clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And slow it down, okay? Go there and speak with probation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Travion Carnegie. Mr. Super Speeder. 20 miles over the speed limit. Are you aware that this citation will suspend your driver's license in the state of Georgia?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you driving so fast? Please don't tell me you were on Westover Road too.
No, man. I was on Slappy. I didn't know I was going that fast, honestly.
Yes, you did. Hmm. Yeah, you were getting it. Okay, part of it. You're gonna have to complete an in-person class. You're gonna forfeit the amount that you already paid. But you also have an additional $200 to pay. Come on, you can come up with it, Mom. It's an additional $200.
And you said in person?
What's the schedule for that? Cause he about to go off to school.
When is he getting ready to go?
July 31st, he moves on campus.
Oh, he's probably have time to take it. He needs to hurry up. Mom, if I send this in like this, the state of Georgia gonna suspend his license
I'm
and
good.
give him an additional $200.
Understood.
20 miles over the speed limit. That's a super speeder. Most jurisdictions do not give them the opportunity. They just go ahead and let them take a guilty plea and suspend the license. Where are you headed to school?
What I would say.
He's going to Albany, but he has to move in early for band camp. He has band scholarship. So he has to go 3 weeks before the semester even starts. I'm trying to get him out of my house.
I'm trying to keep him from killing himself and somebody else.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead and hurry and call. Now he can do, if you don't want to pay the $200, he can do community service in lieu of paying that an additional $200. That's up to you. Doesn't matter with me. You can either pay the $200 or do the community service. But there has to be some consequences more than somebody that was speeding 13, 14, even 15 miles over the speed limit. 20 miles over the speed limit. Oh, okay. How many hours of community service is that? Uh-huh. All right. I bet he won't speed like that no more. Let's see. You said 28 hours? There'll be a $40 a month supervision fee on pretrial, and he's to complete 28 hours of community service. You all see what happened on Monday here in Dougherty County? On the bypass? Okay. How fast was he going? 90 miles an hour? 19 years old. Yeah. All right. Stanley Jones III. Stanley, you got a lot going on, baby. Do you now have insurance?
Yeah, man.
Whose car were you driving without insurance?
My mom.
Mama here with you today?
Yeah, man.
Mama, come on up here. Mama, why you got your baby driving with no insurance?
That is not how it happens.
Well, tell me how it happened.
So you know how they have the buy here insurance? You pay as you go. Are you familiar with it?
Not Hugo, please.
Yeah, so
You
I thought
know.
it was still had time on it, but it didn't. So what they did was when they pulled him over, they did call me and we was able to add it. But now I do have regular insurance. I don't have it.
All right. Why'd you miss your original court date?
I had work.
Where you work?
Eminem more.
Why didn't you call ahead of time and try to get your case rescheduled?
I want to thank you.
All right. And why are you driving with your cell phone in your hand?
I went on. It was just like, oh, on speakerphone. Like
What now? Was it in your hand?
it was.
Back to my original question, why are you driving with your cell phone in your hand? You have not been driving long enough to be able to, you haven't been on this earth long enough. You're only 19 years old. Please do not have your cell phone in your hand. Y'all make drivers like me want to stay at the house. All right, so you did graduate, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Mobile Avenue, that's 31705.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Do you have a Bluetooth device in the car?
Bluetooth.
So you can talk on your phone through the speakers?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you need to give proof to probation that you have a Bluetooth device. You have to give them proof that you obtain valid insurance, complete the defensive driving school, pay the fee and the dismissal fee, okay? All right.
How would you show people? Take a picture of it?
Mhm, that'd be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Dayon Ramey. Michaela Reed. Yeah, right. Oh, she's coming back, right? So I will tell the adjudication on her. All right. This is Dayon. Where, and that was Michaela? Okay, is Area Wimberly. Is there Area Wimberly here? Okay, Azaria Wimberly. We've done Michaela. What's her new, report? So what do we tell them? We just gonna summon her? Oh, yeah, yeah. All right, pronounce your first name.
There.
Dayon. All right, you're 19 years old and have 13 years of education.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No.
378 Mulberry,
Yes.
what? Mulberry what?
Marbury Road.
ROW?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Where's that?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Southeast.
Yes.
Okay.
30315.
All right. Tell me why you were talking to Solar Company.
Me and my friends had went in the store and I was going in there to pay for some gas. I went in there, they got to arguing with the man, and when they got to arguing with the man, I walked out, ran across the street to McDonald's, came out of McDonald's, came back in the gas station. They were still arguing with him. I gave him the money to pay for my gas. Went outside to pay for my gas, and the police, like four police, pulled up, and they was. I asked them was I free to leave, and they was telling me to stay because she had got into it with the man in the store. The police ran the camera back and seen that the girl had threw something at
Which
them.
one? Okay.
Yeah, had threw something at the cashier.
Were you feeling employment at all?
No, I left out the store. It was Michaela and Natalia who was in the store. I left out the store when there. I was in the store when they first started yelling, but when they threw anything or anything like that, I was at McDonald's. I
Let me see. I got body.
okay,
Body. The officer came over and talked.
okay.
Dora Myers. waiting to get him. Let's tell this officer what she said. Yeah. That's Michaela that threw it and doing all this talking. I said, has she said what you have you heard anything about what she said in that house? Uh-huh. Exactly. I don't like you on the line. All you got to do is we're gonna go ahead and schedule defendant for court in person, 45 days. You still friends with him?
No.
I suggest you not call and tell her what I said.
Oh, we've been so friends.
Okay. I'm gonna dismiss yours if you did anything.
Thank you so much.
Well, administratively, it's for you, so you'll be on the record, okay?
Thank you.
All right. And I asked her 4 or 5 times. I said, before I look at this page, just tell me the truth. He called, yes, ma'am. Are you sure? Then she tried to say it was almost a year ago. But yeah, you remember if he called you that word. Are you sure? Do you? Well, I kept going. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. And Azaria Wimberly. It's not he. So all of them were released for the citation. Right? Bench warrant, failure to appeal. I'm not sure why they cited $75 administrative fees,
Okay. Okay.
and then we will administratively. When can you pay the $75?
Can I pay it tomorrow morning?
Yeah, they'll give you information, pay it online, pay it tomorrow, okay?
All right. Yes, ma'am.
All right, just have a seat. We'll teach you. I wrote some. Okay, okay. Okay. Is that it? All righty. I can believe that girl just kept lying. And you know what she's gonna say? I thought he did. I thought I told him. No, you didn't tell him because he didn't say that. There it is. Yep. Go back to college. Are in you like classes? They can you're just gonna get a copy of the order. Okay.
Oh yeah.